Hey there, Shane. How are you? It's Leo again from Renovationis Marketing. We spoke earlier. Here's the video I wanted to get over to you. It's got the tips and tricks I was telling you about that you can actually do in-house to help you bring in more business using your Google Business Profile and or your website. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. Roofing Renovations, like your logo with your house hidden in there, pretty crafty. Like how you pretty much got an overlay of all your services here, because this is actually what your home page is for. It is to drive traffic to this page so your clients know exactly what they are able to get from you right here. Now, if I had one suggestion, it would definitely be to add more content. Google loves content. The reason being, Google sends bots out 24/7 crawling these sites, and they're pretty much going through pinging things so they can identify what your site is and what it's about. So having commercial roofing, roof replacements, sunroom, sunscreen, things like that, it's going to kind of start narrowing down exactly what your website represents. That is roofing and renovations. You also want to take advantage of these photos, because photos and videos are considered content as well. So you want to make sure you're having buyer intent keywords behind these photos. Now, buyer intent keyword is the service and the location that you do that service in. So right here, it could be Murfreesboro Roofing, Roofing's Murfreesboro, Nashville Commercial Roofing, Murfreesboro roof replacement, Nashville, Tennessee roof repair, things like that. It's just a service and then the location of that service. I like how you got your click to call up here. One thing I would suggest is adding like a form submit up here, or a chat feature, email feature, because sometimes these days people are a little bit more shy and they don't want to talk on the phone. So give them more options to reach out to you. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, and throughout that content, they want to make sure that there are keywords as well. Again, keywords are locations and the services that you provide. Now, what I've actually done here for you, Shane, is I have put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're actually setting in Google's eyes. So right here is your UR and your DR. This is the strength that your website has and the trust that your website has with Google. Now this is out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. You've actually got a pretty decent UR right here with this your strength. You've got 2,000 backlinks with 343 referring domains. Now, backlink shares power from one website to another. So a backlink is whenever one website links another website via clickable button or text. So if your domain name was in a roofer's blog, someone could click on that and get brought straight to your website. That is what a backlink is. Now, you've got 535 organic keywords. These need to be scattered throughout your content. That's the importance of having a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on your home page, because you can't just stack these on top of each other. You've got to spread them out. So Roofing Companies, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, is an 8 KD, and these are also out of 100. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank. So this right here is getting 150 searches a month. You're in position 8, and you're getting 6 people to your site a month off of this keyword. Roofers, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, there's 250 a month. You're in position 10, and you're getting 6. So the closer to 1 you get, the more this increases, the bigger share of this number you're going to get. And then, of course, from there, it's going to turn those visitors into customers, and those customers are going to increase your ROI. Now, what I've actually done to find you was Roofers, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Now, I want to show you the power of a keyword. So you are not in this top 3 right now with this keyword, but let me show you. someone searching roofer Murfreesboro, which is very common search phrase, boom, there you are. So that's the importance of being able to rank for all the keywords that people would normally search. So up here at the top, you got your Google guarantee, which is where I found you. Because, this is a really good thing right here to drive some business. But once you stop paying, you are gone off this first page unless you're ranking organically. Now that's the allure of optimizing your website and your Google business profile. That way you can rank organically, and then what you're actually doing is you're paying with the extra clients that you're bringing in. So if you're getting an extra $10,000 a month and you're paying to be up here $1,000 a month, that's a pretty good win. Now down here is organics, and of course here is the map pack. When it comes to these, you can get to that #1 spot by making sure you're constantly adding reviews, which you've got 56 reviews with a 4.8 star rating, which is really good. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number, they're exact same all across the internet. You don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom you want to fill out, and make sure you add those keywords we was talking about. Also, by posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly, that's going to help you rank organically as well. Also, adding citations, and a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number. Put those in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because honestly, Google is just a big popularity contest. So the more information you share with these directories, the more Google will start to trust you, and then it will boost your business. And that's not only for your area, but that's also for your surrounding areas as well. Being in that map pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and it's going to give you a call from there. Now, in this organic section, Dow Roofing is your #1 competitor. They're holding that #1 spot. So all you've got to do is beat them. And as you can see, they don't really have the content either. So implementing having more content on your website than theirs, you can outrank them while adding your backlinks and such too, your reviews, geotagging your photos. Adding a combination of those things is going to eventually help you outrank these guys, and then you get the lion's share of all the searches. Now looking at some more keywords I got pulled up for you, and you do have some of these in your content. I just wanted to show you the massive volume that is here. Roofer, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Roofing, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Roofers in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Roofers, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. There's just 1,000 right there. With these 4 right here is 1,000. So even if you had 10% of that volume, 10%, that's 100 people at your website. And even if you converted 10% of those, that's 10 more jobs that you just added on. I also want to show you, because I know you're pretty close to the Nashville area. Nashville has insane buyer intent keywords as well. Roofing, Nashville. Let's see, I had 10 roof, Nashville. I'm sorry, I just had it on here. Nashville, Tennessee roofing, that's 350 right there. Roofers, Nashville, Tennessee is another 350. Roofer, Nashville, another 350. So just 3 keywords there is pretty much another 1,000. Roofing in Nashville. And again, you want to make sure that you add these keywords in there. You can make sure that you want to add your service, your location pages right here. So Murfreesboro, Nashville, Clarksville, any place that you want to service, they can have their individual page. That way, when people in those cities search it, they're coming right to your website. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you're able to actually get in here and apply these changes to this website. Not a bad looking website. It's just not optimized for search engine. So you can do these things yourself. If not, you can definitely give me a call and we can talk, figure some stuff out. If you just got questions or comments, just get in touch with me, because I can be a resource for you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. If you like, respond to this email, because I would love some feedback from you. Thanks a lot.